This is Morning Edition. Good morning. Kata Plus here from the Contemporary Arts Network. Chuck is still out this week, so it's just me, myself, and I holding it down. And honestly, I feel like I've been doing pretty good. You know, the lights are still on, the list is ready, everything's fine, you know? Oh, who am I kidding? We need Chuck back. That man is the glue. There's a Chuck-shaped hole in the studio, and I feel it every single day. But until he returns, I'll be out here using my tears to wash the pollen off of my car because now is not the time to waste resources, you know? And besides, who am I to let a little grief and a huge pollen count slow us down? It's a big week in Hampton Roads, and I've got everything you need. So here is a list of some things you can do. First up, we got EGOT winner John Legend brings his An Evening of Songs and Stories tour to the Sandler Center for the Performing Arts in Virginia Beach tonight. That's Thursday, April 9th at 8 p.m. He's performing his debut album, Get Lifted, in its entirety. We're talking Ordinary People, Number One, So High, the whole thing, live. It's been 20 years since that album dropped, and it is still amazing. If you've been waiting for the right time to see John Legend live, why not make it tonight? Tickets are available at the Sandler Center box office and online. This is one of those rare chances you get to hear an album performed live the way it was meant to be heard. And if you're already planning to be out Friday night, stick around Virginia Beach because Nick Offerman is bringing his Big Woodchuck tour to the Sandler Center. There will be two shows, one at 7 p.m. and one at 9:30 p.m. There's going to be comedy, music, woodworking stories. The man is a triple threat. So if you know Nick Offerman, you know exactly what you're in for. And if you don't, Friday night is a great time to find out. You probably know him as Ron Swanson from Parks and Recreation or as Bill from The Last of Us on HBO. Either way, I'm sure it's going to be very entertaining. Hopefully you're not tuckered out just yet because we got a stacked list for Saturday. Start your morning at Nauticus on the downtown Norfolk waterfront for the Jellyfish Light Workshop running from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. You'll be making your own jellyfish hanging light in a hands-on workshop open to all skill levels. $10 for Nauticus members, $15 as an add-on with general admission. And it looks like spots for this one are limited, so if I were you, I would register ahead of time to make sure I get my spot. Then head over to Newport News, where Tradition Brewing Company is hosting the 5th annual Earth Fest starting at 1 p.m. There will be live music, there will be local vendors, and there will be community vibes. And it's completely free, our favorite word. Free, free, free. So if you can make it out, you can make it in. This is an Earth Day celebration, so it's a great excuse to get outside, support some local businesses, and enjoy a good afternoon in Newport News. Now, if you want to take Saturday night to another level, the Nova in Norfolk has you covered. Pigeons Playing Ping Pong bring their psychedelic funk rock show to the stage Saturday, April 11th at 7 p.m. These guys are known for high-energy, improvisational sets that keep the crowd moving from start to finish. If you've never seen them live, this is exactly the kind of show you stumble into and talk about for a week. And Dale and Z-Dubs will be opening the night. And on Sunday, Virginia Arts Festival brings Peppa Pig, my first concert, to Chrysler Hall in Norfolk. That's right, Sunday, April 12th at 2 p.m., Peppa Pig and her friends will be live on stage with a full orchestra designed specifically for the youngest music fans in the room. And it sounds like a great time for the whole family. Tickets are on sale at vafest.org. Now, this is one of those shows that move fast, so if you've got little ones at home, don't wait too long. And that is our can-do list of events for the week. Fingers crossed Chuck is back by next Thursday because the studio is just way too quiet without him, you know? But if you want to get your event on the list, you can send it to cando@whro.org at least 2 weeks in advance so we have enough time to put it on the list. I am Kata Plus with the Contemporary Arts Network, and this is Morning Edition. Later, guys.